Step 1 is to lay out your post assemblies. Always double check your measurements when laying out your posts. Start by checking to make sure your post is in the proper location. Use a drill with a 3/8 bit to pre-drill a hole for a 3/8 lag bolt. Next, grab your impact drill, your lag bolts, and your washers. Put the washer on the lag bolt and use the impact driver to tighten the bolt down. Check for level and square before drilling your next hole. Step 5 is to shim if needed and repeat the previous steps. Shimming isn't always needed, but if the post is slightly shallow or heavy on one side, shimming can help level the post. Don't be afraid to loosen some of the lag bolts that have already been tightened. You want to make sure when you're tightening that they're all about equal because you want the post to be as true to level as possible. Once you got your post level, you're going to want to remove the excess shimming. Simply grab the shimming, pull straight up to have a clean break. The last step is to snap on the plastic caps.